how to edit and change payment methods on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit it. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, click payments, and as you see here we'll find the payment methods, and now just click edit here. And now after that, all you need to do just here you can manage anything you want, and that's it. Manage it, and then just go back, it will be saved. Now I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.